In this training video, we're going to look at changing bullet points in PowerPoint slides to a feature called Smartart. So Smartart is available on the Insert tab, and you can actually draw Smartart, but you can also use Smartart to change information which are bullets into Smartart. So you might have presentations with lots of text that you want to make them more visual. So to do this, we can highlight the bullets by clicking on the box around it. So we got dots around the box. Home tab, paragraph section of the ribbon, and we can convert to Smartart. So there's lots of choices, and if you don't like what you see in front of you, you can always go more Smartart graphics. So we'll go more, we'll go to the process section in this example, and we'll pick one. I'll go for the process arrows, and then OK. So this has now changed it graphically for the different bullet points to show me the different graphics I've now got. I could now change the graphics by changing the Smartart style. If I didn't like it, I could pick another one. So I could say, OK, I'd rather it to be the circles. Now that's a different way of looking at it. You might say, OK, I don't like that one. So under Smartart Tools, you can now start changing them to different ones. And as you hover over them, it shows you different examples. You could put pictures in them of different locations. There's upward arrows, downward arrows. So I'll leave it with the upward arrow. You can choose different styles. You can change the color. So quite powerful what you can do with PowerPoint as far as Smartart and changing information to graphical information. So this demonstrates how it can be done. So standard bullet points, and generally you only want a bullet point which has got one word in it or a brief description, like Europe, Australia, South Africa, America, Mexico. So those ones, if it was like, for example, slide 2, which has got text in it, that's not going to be quite so appropriate with this example. But if you wanted to change bullet points in your presentation to be graphical and to have a slightly different appearance, this is how you would do it, by actually then changing to what's called a Smartart and converting to Smartart. If for whatever reason I wanted to change it back, I can click on it. On the Design tab under Smartart Tools, you can convert, and I convert it back to text. And then I could choose bullet points if I wanted to, so I can then choose the ones I want, and I can put it back. If I want to then put it back to convert to Smartart, same again, same process, and you then choose the graphic you want. But this completes the training video on converting bullet points to Smartart graphics, and also to putting them back to standard bullet points themselves.